Good morning, guys. Let's take a walk with me this morning. My morning walk, which is nice. So nice outside. Yes, sir. Time to hit the road. I'm out. Let's go. Let's go to work, y'all. Let's show my tag though. Don't show nobody the tags. Let's go. I just got back from work, so I'm gonna close the vlog. Remember to subscribe, like, share with a friend, your family. Jesus loves you, and I love you guys too. It's like, what time is it? It's 11. Alrighty, bye y'all. Love y'all. I gotta get ready for bed now. Goodbye. This.